we going to get into today? Well, hey, I got to say one thing. Welcome back to Moonshine Wednesday. Hey, this is going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so the whole idea of Moonshine Wednesday this time is I want to make moonshines for the season. So right now, it is the holiday seasons. So with that in mind, we are going to make Candy Cane Moonshine today. This ought to be pretty darn tasty. All right, I'm looking forward to this. Hey, who does not like candy canes? Yeah, it's that mint flavor. It's just great for the season. I think everybody enjoys it. Okay, but you're going to be surprised how easy this is going to be to make. All right, but before we get there, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. All right, well, let's get Moonshine Wednesday started. All right, it's been a while, right, guys? Okay, so the very first thing we got to do for our I got 12 candy canes. I guess actually I got more than 12. I need 12 candy canes. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So we need 12 candy canes. What we need to do is we need to crush them up. So you got two choices to crush them up. You can either unwrap them, because these are all wrapped. I know it's going to take a while in it. I hate unwrapping these things. So we got to unwrap them, and we got to crush them up, break them up into smaller pieces. All right, so we got two choices. Excuse me. We can either take a rolling pin and break them up, but I got this little, I don't know if it's a nut chopper, fruit processor, whatever way you can get it done. And we're going to crush these things up. So let me get all these opened up. And I'll be back. Okay, so I got all them opened up. That was a job. So what I want to do is I'm going to put them in this I don't know if it's a little grinder. Put the lid on it. Them up and make it easier to melt. Sorry about the noise. Okay, good deal. So that's done. Let me unplug out. Okay, so we got our candy canes ready. All right, so now what we got to do is we got to make our simple syrup. Okay, and what we're going to do that is I need 2 cups of water. Oh, here it is. I got a saucepan here. So let's go with 2 cups of water. There's 1. And 2. 2 cups of water. And then what we need is sugar. We need how much sugar? 2 cups of sugar. As long as I don't drop it. There's 1. And 2. Okay, oh, we're rolling right along. Like I said, this one is easy to make. A lot of your moonshines are very easy to make. All right, so what we want to do is we want to turn this on medium heat. All right. And what we want to, basically all we're going to do is bring in sugar and melt it. And this is our base. This is our simple syrup. As you notice, it's starting to clear up. And that's how you tell when the sugar's pretty much dissolved. It will get clear. All right. Okay, so now what we want to do, it's pretty much clear there, see? We want to add in our ground up candy canes. And what we're going to do is we're going to heat this and dissolve that candy cane. Nice color. Okay, so what we want to do is heat it up, stir it every once in a while. We don't want nothing to burn. And then we'll get ready to move to the next step. So I'll be back. All right, I hope you ain't all steamed up, but if you notice, I shut the heat off, but if you notice, it was, I'm gonna say cloudy when we first started, but see how it turned out to be kind of translucent, a little clear? That's gonna make a better looking shine. So what you wanna do, it's gonna take 15 minutes of cook time. I hope you're not steaming up. Okay, so what we wanna do now is we want to let this cool to room temperature. And then we can start on to the next step with adding, oh, you are getting steamed up, sorry about that. Okay, so that's cool. So what we want to add now is 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract, just to give it that extra little kick that we want. All right. And that's 1. Okay. All right, we give that a little stir. All right. Now what I'm gonna use is a quart of, I got 110 shine here. We're going to incorporate that in. I mean, this would be a perfect present to, you could put a ribbon around that, give it away at the holidays. Who don't like shine, right? Okay, give that a little stir in there. All right. I guess the next thing we need to do is put it in some jars, right? I'm gonna give it one more stir. All right. I like to use a funnel because I'm good at making a mess, if you can imagine that. All right, let's put her in some jars. Oh, it smells so delicious. It's a unique color, though. pour it in there now. Well, there's 2 jars. You know what? I think I'm gonna have to fill this up and I'm gonna have to enjoy this. That really hurts my feelings, don't it? Everything, I hate dealing with sugar. Everything is so sticky. Let me put a lid on these before I spill them. All right. Okay, so that's, I mean, it's a unique color, and it will blend together a little bit. It smells like candy cane mint. Oh, wow. I mean, the only thing I say, it tastes like a candy cane with a big kick. I mean, I taste the sweetness. I taste the mint, you know, and the taste of that candy cane, which is mint. Oh, it's just fantastic. I bet you put that on an ice cube. Oh, it'd be fantastic even more. But it's good just the way it is. Okay. I'll have to say that is a big success. Now, I spilled sugar on the floor. What have I been saying that you got to do? Candy Cane Moonshine. Very important thing to do. Because you know what? What I always say? You think you're going to remember, but you're not. Even though that is so unique of a color, you will not remember. Okay. All right, and like I was saying before, you could take, you know, like some, either make a real nice label for it and get a, some red and some green ribbon, tie a candy cane, you know, tie a candy cane to it. Hey, who wouldn't like to get that for a gift? I would like to have it, okay? So, with that being said, that is our Candy Cane Moonshine. We got a few more holiday specials coming out on Wednesdays at 7 o'clock. I hope you look forward to it. I'm really enjoying this. So we'll see you here next week. So the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next Wednesday on Moonshine Wednesday. All right. Cheers, everybody. I mopped the floor.